I'm Tech 38, and I'm going to be replacing this marker light here and the tail light on this 2014 Hyundai Tucson. So first thing, you take this Phillips screw out. That Phillips screw and that Phillips screw. This car, there's only one for some reason. So you take that out. Set it to the side. And then you grab the whole assembly and you have to slide it out backwards towards the back of the car. So you get it out a bit and then try and wiggle it like that. So it slides out on these tabs and this slides into that clip here. So here we got the marker light and then the tail light here. So tail light, you twist counterclockwise and take it out. And then same thing for the bulb, you push down and twist counterclockwise. It does have two different heights of tabs here, so you have to put it back in the same way it comes out. This bulb is a dual filament and it is here's the new one. I'll put in the description what model of bulb it is. So you grab it, put it in, twist it, and then it sits in there good. Try and pull it out, it doesn't come out. And if you put it in backwards, it won't twist at the bottom because of the different heights of those tabs. So in, twist, clean off the bulb, make sure there's no oils on it. Same thing back in here, line up the tabs, turn clockwise and it locks into place. Now this bulb, it's a different bulb, but comes out the same way. There it is there. It is I think it's a 194 clear. It just pulls straight out and pushes straight in. So pushes straight in like that. Put it back in. Twist clockwise, quarter turn. Might be an eighth of a turn. Just like that. And then the turn signal's down here, same idea. It doesn't need replaced on this one, but there it is. Single filament bulb. Put it up against the car and make sure back here, come over here. Make sure back here, this is gonna slide into that. So you have to push it right up against, and then see how it's nice and close there? No broken seams or anything. That's how it goes in. Let me double check that. And this peg right here needs to go into that right there. The same thing with this one down here. Perfect. Then grab your two Phillips screws and put them back in here. And then turn on your lights and check them. So here we got the light bulbs working. It was just a connection here in this connector. So I just soldered the two, heat shrunk the two wires together. Now it works. So it was just a loose connection in there. I didn't feel like replacing the connector. And that's it. And then you just slide it back in. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.